What is... No. Hello viewers. Welcome to another episode of hiking and cooking in the English countryside. There's a nice hill in front of me. Very steep. There it is. Very steep. Lot of hard work. It's beautiful and lovely exercise. Yeah, very beautiful place. I don't know what I'm going to find at the top as yet. My first time around this area. I'm going up there. Let's hope there is no landslide. Because if I fall from the top here, it's going to be a nasty fall. Well, I'm not gonna say I'm an expert, but I'm pretty good at this. I don't know what that is. But I'll find out when I get there. What is that? It's cool. I love it. All this walk wasn't in vain. I love it up there. Wow. You could sleep up here. Well, it seems like someone actually, someone been here. It's a very steep walk from all the way down there. Yeah. Just getting up here, it's hard enough. It's a good exercise. Trying to get some lovely videos from down there. Wow. Steep. You don't want to fall down there. See, I can't do any cooking in these places. Too much leaves. Last thing you want to do is start some wildfire, especially in this beautiful area. You don't want to spoil it. Yes, my viewers, today I'm going to be making some vegetable and rice. Cabbage, pumpkin, carrot. I'm going to wash it now and get it ready. I won't be showing you the whole process, but I will try and talk you through the rest of the video. As you can see, all-purpose seasoning, thyme, black pepper, onion, tomato, spring onion. Well, I didn't put the garlic there as yet, but I'll be adding garlic as well. Just a few of the ingredients or the seasoning. So this is not going to be anything difficult. It's quite a simple meal. You know, using my margarine again. A little piece of the margarine. Some all-purpose seasoning. Little bit of thyme. And I'll now cover it, let it steam. No water, just a steam. It'll be lovely. Now it's time to check. Brilliant. Looking lovely.